A Java program to add two numbers is deceptively simple. This code on screen now is all it takes to do that. You set up the two numbers, pass them into the function, the sum function adds the two numbers and returns the result. Finally, you print the result out back in main. Sounds easy enough? You'd be mistaken. This program is deceptively simple because as I've written it, a and b are integers. In Java, integers are signed in 32 bits long. So the largest possible int that a or b can store is 2 to the 31st power minus 1. This is where the problem happens. When you add two numbers and go over the max amount that an integer can hold, you get results that you wouldn't expect. If you go over the max amount of an integer, you get a really big negative number. If you go under the smallest possible amount of an integer, you get a really big positive number. In Java, though, you have a remedy to fix that. The rule for integer overflow in addition is that if two numbers are added with the same sign and the sum has a different sign, then an integer overflow has occurred. So let's code that up and throw an arithmetic exception if integer overflow occurs. There, we just implemented the logic to catch integer overflows and throw an exception when they happen.